It's delicious.
Anna's favorite dish is pasta arrabbiata. Do you think her favorite?
Nope.
Do you think her favorite?
Nope. Nope. Help me!
Favorite dish as good as her performance or not? So stay tuned with.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Remove the seeds from the cayenne pepper and start chopping it. Also, chop the garlic. To better mix the taste and aroma, chop them together well. Add olive oil to the pan and start frying them on high heat. After 2 minutes, add chili flakes and immediately add canned tomatoes. Barbecue sauce, salt. Please like and subscribe and add black pepper. And stir well. Cook the penne in boiling water with salt. After it's cooked, pour the pasta into the sauce. Add a little pasta water to better taste and density. Add chopped parsley in the last 1 minute. You can serve this pasta with steak, chicken, sausage or any protein you like. Use parsley and Parmesan cheese for garnish. It's over. I don't think you can find such a delicious and easy pasta anywhere else. Thanks to Ellen for liking this delicious dish. Nice. Thanks for watching this video.